Today we'll cover another e-commerce feature in the CRM, working with products. Products, their cost, characteristics, and quantity, all of this needs to be at your fingertips when you're creating a deal, sending an invoice, or putting together a proposal. In this lesson, we will look at how to add products to the CRM, how to fill out a product card with all the details, and how to manage your products. Let's start with creating a product. Go to e-commerce, then the product section, and click Add Product. A window with fields to fill out will appear. Enter the product name and choose the product type, physical or digital. Depending on the product type, you can configure additional parameters. For a physical product, a tangible item like jewelry, furniture, or skincare products, you can add a stock option, which will show the buyer the remaining quantity of the item in stock. You can also track stock for services, kits, liters, meters, kilograms, and packages. For a digital product, an intangible item like a service, there are fields where you can upload or add a link to the product the client will receive after payment, as well as a link to a sample or a preview. Next, it's important to fill out the product description. You can see there's an option for a short description, where you can add the product's main characteristics, and a full description, where you can provide more detailed information. Don't forget to add an image. You can select one from the file manager or upload a new one. Specify the product's price. If you want to show a discounted price, you can check the old price box and fill in the fields that appear, the old price and the new price. Also fill in the product's SKU, a unique code that helps you track and manage the product. The code can contain numbers and letters. Choose the product's category. Categories help you better navigate your product range and define their characteristics for creating products using a template. The product category is visible to the CRM team and to users on the website. Note that if you don't select a category when you create a product, your products will automatically be added to no category. To create a new category, go to e-commerce products and click the plus sign next to all categories. Depending on your pricing plan, you can add a different number of categories and subcategories. In the characteristics section, enter a group name in the group field and the property name in the attribute field. By clicking the plus sign on Add, an additional field will appear, where you can add another attribute or attribute set. If you want to edit or delete a category, click the three dots next to the category and select the option you need. Let's return to the Add Product window. In the characteristics block, you can add the necessary product qualities and their variations. When a customer expands the product card, they can choose the option they want. Therefore, it's important to fill in all the fields for each parameter: the product name, attribute, material size, and the value. To add a new product property, click the plus sign on Add and select Add Attribute. Next, add SEO settings to optimize your search queries. Here, you can enter the title, product description, and add keywords, words or phrases for your product or service. And finally, integration fields. You can add them here in the product card or in the Settings tab at the top. Technical fields can be considered hidden because the product buyer won't see them. Hidden fields are created for integration purposes, that is, for transferring technical information between services. For example, sending data to payment systems. Click Add Field. A window will appear with the field's field name and field type. You can choose between string or number, and then click Add. The created field will appear in the product card in the Integration Fields section, and managers can fill it out in the CRM. Technical fields can be deleted in the Settings tab. We've finished filling out the product card, but it's also important to be able to quickly find the product we need in the list. You can use the search field or filter by criteria. The filter helps you search for products by date, product type, stock, visibility, number of orders, cost, and categories. In the product card itself, you can see the product name, stock, number of orders, cost, whether the product is visible on the site, and the creation date. A CRM is a unified system that effectively structures your work with clients, products, and payments. With the products section in the CRM, you save managers time, reduce the number of errors, and increase the effectiveness of every deal. It's also very convenient that these products can be easily imported when creating an online store in the SendPulse site builder, because it's all part of one integrated ecosystem for your business.